Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is December 13th, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market entered a correction phase. Last week, I have reduced long position again, and I'm waiting for capitulation day before buy any stock or ETF. Basically, capitulation day is a day of panic selling, and after the panic selling, usually market will enter a phase of uptrend for a while. However, right now we're in the middle of downtrend, so it's in the middle of correction. So it's not a time to buy stock. Let's take a look at the US and international stock index. First is a German DAX index. It broke 50-day moving average. It's heading down. Nasdaq also broke 50-day moving average and broke 200-day moving average as well. This is a high volume job. You look at this period of time in the most recent weeks. When the market on the down day, the volume is much higher than when it's on the up day. The red bar here are the volume on the down day. The black bar here is the volume on the up day. So market has a lot of sellers. Mid cap also broke. Mid cap just broke 50-day moving average at the beginning of the week. So that's a bad sign. Small cap also broke 50-day moving average. Large cap, SP 500, large cap broke 50-day moving average on Friday. That's a bad sign. Gold is firming up. Gold pulled back from the big jump, and then now it's consolidating. Silver is not as good as gold. It came down again. Gold mining ETF firm up here. This is US dollar, and seems like it may get into the downtrend. If it breaks 50-day moving average, that will be a bad sign. Crude oil entered the downtrend again. So it's crude oil has a very strong downtrend. Energy stock came down. China Shanghai Exchange Index rebounded, but it couldn't hold the high and came down again. ASHS China Asia ETF broke 50-day moving average. China, this is also CNXT is also China's ETF, broke 50-day moving average. FXI, the ADRs, a downtrend. IBB is the biotech index of in US, and right now it came down. Real estate index also came down. JETS, this is a sector this is ETF for the airplane sector. It benefits from the crude oil come down. However, we also observe a down day on Friday. GGC is a copper price. Looks like it may rebound from here. MBB is a mortgage bond price. It is still in the uptrend. Mortgage interest rate has not reversed yet. SMH is a semiconductor ETF. It came down, but right now it's sitting right at the resistance level. Sorry, this is support level. 50-day and 200-day is an important support level for SMH. This is a social media ETF, and came down, as you can see. Solar ETF came down, XLF financial sector ETF. This is not very good. Financial sector broke this support level and may head down. Those are the indices. Last week I closed two positions, ServiceNow and Palo Alto Network. And my current position, I'm currently hold Google and GDX, which is a gold mining stock ETF. I have nothing to be on the to be on the watch list. So let's take a look at the stocks I sold. Now, this is a turning point. It broke 30-day moving average and 40-day moving average, and with a 20-day and 40-day moving average with a very high volume. That's institution selling. So PANW, Palo Alto Networks, also broke 100-day moving average here with a high volume. That's an institution selling. So it has to be very careful with the stock showing this sign. And then the stock I'm currently holding, just the Google. Google has a nice uptrend, but right now it may reverse that, may not. I don't know. You just have to set a breakpoint, and if you hit the breakpoint, you just automatically get out. That's all for the ETFs. Okay, now, sorry, that's all for the stock. What to do? Oh, sorry, the current position size. And I currently hold Google. 15% of my position is in Google. Another 17% is in the GDX, which is gold mining stock ETF. Gold tend to have inverse correlation with the stock market. It means if the stock market comes down, gold may go up a little bit. So that's a reason why I bought the GDX, to balance off the stocks. And what to do in current market? For me, I will stay out of the market and wait for the selling to exhaust before buy again. That's all for this week. We see you next week.